What's up, everybody? TDBaseballcards here with another video. Today we're going to be opening up a 2015 Panini Contenders Baseball blaster box. There's going to be 42 trading cards in here, and we should find 2 autographs per box. Alrighty, so let's see what we got. Okay, first pack, we've got Will Clark, Thomas Eshelman, Riley Farrell, Richie Martin, Brett Lilac, and Taylor J. Alrighty, next up. We've got Paul Molitor, Matt Chapman, Alex Bregman, Drew Smith, Blake Trahan, and Craig Biggio. Kevin Newman, Josh Graham, JP Crawford, Rafael Devers, Dansby Swanson, Tony Gwynn. Braden Bishop, Andrew Benintendi, and looks like we've got our first hit here. It's going to be a Dakota Chalmers. Here we go. Oakland. You can see that there, the Oakland. This is one of those blue foil ones, so it's a little bit harder to see the name there. We've got a Phil Bickford and Thomas Eshelman, and Dylan Tate, and Kyle Schwarber. 3 more to go. Walker Buehler, Taylor Ward, Rhett Wiseman, Brecken Williams, Andrew Suarez, and Brecken Williams again. We've got Ozzie Smith, Mark McGwire, and our next autograph, this one is a draft ticket. Mark Mathias, here we go. It's numbered out of 99. He's from Cal Poly. And we've got Chris Shaw, Carson Fulmer, Bo Jackson. Last pack. Dansby Swanson, Kevin Kramer, Matt Olson, Marcus Molina, Tate Matheny, and Kevin Newman. Alrighty, so these are our 2 hits from that box. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.